Alright, everybody. Ooh, lighting. Okay. I'm going to do my first animal video showing you everything I got, I guess. Mind the mess and all the dirty tanks, whatnot. We're in the process of trying to move. Gonna be getting rid of one of my turtles, at least trying to, and if not, I'm gonna have to try to find a rescue for him. So yeah, I guess let's get into it. So this is my African side-necked turtle tank. King turtle. His name's Jody. Hey buddy. Yeah. Fortunately I can't take everybody. And you are the animal with the least sentimental value. So sadly, that's just the way she goes, boys. Alright, then. Going to go in here. In here, my quarantine tank. Got little cow, my koi in there. It's not doing too good. Not really sure what's going on with him, but he's getting a little better. He was dragging all along the bottom of the tank and with our other koi, which it's overstocked and all that fun stuff. But like I said, we're in the process of moving. They're moving from 55 into 125 gallon, and then most likely gonna get a pool once they get even bigger, so it won't be too bad. Pretty sure this is a 35 gallon with the 200 gallon. Pretty sure it's a 200 gallon. 250 gallon. Renafill Star XP4 canister filter, and that thing is amazing. I love it. Then down here, we got my red-eared slider, Mikey. Hey, buddy. This is also a temporary tank. We had to quarantine him as well because we had some unwanted wigglies in our tank. They weren't harmful for him, but I mean, when you look in the tank and you see some shit squiggling around, it's not really as fun to look at. So we got them all nice and cleaned up, nice fresh tank. Then we got his little fish buddy in here. I did have a couple ghost shrimp that he had in his old tank for probably almost a year, and as soon as I put him in here, he got eaten. I don't know if it was him or the fish. Probably you. Yeah. And his UVB bulb just went out, so that's another thing I gotta put on the list. And over here, I just picked these guys up today because I've been looking for them for a long time, about 2 years. I finally found two of them, randomly looking through PetSmart. Oh, you can barely even see it. Let's see if I can get some more light. There we go. Got one Bashir, two Bashir. And they're tiny, tiny little babies right now. They're pretty sure they're growing to like a little over a foot. I think 18 inches is how big they get. So this is a 10 gallon they're in right now. They're gonna be going, hopefully once I switch the koi from the 120 to the pool, they'll be big enough to go in the 120 with our black moor goldfish. And then over here, I got two Shibanki and my goldfish. that I had with the koi, but they're so small they just kept getting picked on and beat up, so they're in here growing out for a little bit. There's the other guy. They'll be going out as soon as we move. And right now, I just do constant water changes in it. They just got an air bubbler in there right now for oxygen. They got a little 20-gallon filter. It's got a 40-gallon, 200, whatnot. And over here we got my planted tank with my green spotted puffer fish called Puffy the fish there. Hi Puffy, come here. Hey, Puffy, come over here. Oh, screw you. Oh, we just got stocked up on snails too. I just put that in there for him, along with some, I don't know if you can see him. Let's see if I can get in there. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a ghost shrimp. It's actually a pretty big one, I'm not gonna lie. And he's got, I think, a 25 something filter. Got the plant in the filter, and it's got the nice actual media trays in there instead of the stupid mesh filters, little white foam things you put in there. And then our snail tank. And then for the final pride and joy, my babies, my koi fish, shabunkin, and goldfish. Hi Dick. His name's Dick. This is a dick. I've had most of these. I've had him for 2 years. I've had him, my big goldfish, for 3.5 years. He's beautiful, I love his tail. Same with this guy. And that guy, he's gonna be the one that's going with our Bashirs, because he's so friendly. And I don't think he'll try eating all their food, so I think that'll be the best bet. Yep. Right now, I just got some bullshit plants to keep bacteria on there. I mean, I'm not really sure if I need the plants in there for the bacteria, because I got this nice FX4 Flavel giant canister filter. You can't even really see it, but yeah. That's about it. 2 air bubblers. Then once they go in the 125, they're gonna get a nice hang-on bag filter with the media trays, plus the canister filter. So they're gonna have it set up. And there'll be updates with that fish tank coming too, because I gotta re-silicone it and re-brace it, because I got that 125 gallon. I got 30 gallon that Mikey's in. I got my grandma a nice hexagon 40 gallon with a stand and like, I got 2 Flavel canister filters, got that blue canister filter that's in the quarantine tank. Got the 2 hang-on bag filters with the media that are like 100 gallon rated. Got the 2 smaller media ones. I gave one to my grandma. Got a giant tub full of this gravel, probably a Dodge. This whole thing is full of it. It's awesome. Got like 4 tubs full of fish stuff for $200. was an absolute steal, so I had to buy it. All of it. I had to. And then I got my little kitty, Luna. I don't know if you can see her. Oh, come on, Luna. Let's say hi to YouTube. Hi, Luna. So yeah, that's about it for all the fish stuff for now.